Hi, and welcome to MoSKito, a tool for monitoring your web application. MoSKito is powerful, yet very easy to use. There are only two main features to remember. Thresholds show the current state of your application. Accumulators collect performance data and then generate a statistic overview. When you launch MoSKito for the first time, you will see a welcome message. We suggest reading our brief manual before you start. That will really help a lot. Tap the Help button to open the Help screen. On the Help screen, you will see the Help section buttons. Tap a button to open the corresponding Help section. Swipe up and down to navigate through the text. Tap Back button to exit the Help screen. To start monitoring your website, you need to add it to Applications list. To do that, tap Settings. In the Application List section, tap Plus. In the appearing Edit Application screen, enter the name of your new application as you want it to appear in MoSKito. Then enter the URL address of your application. Note that MoSKito will automatically add the configuration path to the URL you have entered. If your application needs login and password, drag the authorization slider to Yes, then type in your login and password. After entering all the data, tap Save. Now your application appears in Application List. Tap back to return to main screen and then tap Accumulators or Thresholds tabs. As you see, the tabs now have indicators. That means MoSKito started monitoring your application. Congratulations! If you have received a special configuration code, you may enter it to add applications. To load applications by configuration code, tap Settings. In Configuration by Code section, enter the configuration code. Choose to keep or remove existing configurations. To keep them, swipe Add to Current Configuration slider to Yes. To remove all other apps, swipe the slider to No. Tap Load. You may test MoSKito by using our demo code. Just type in Demo. Please contact another Reenact in case you would like to deploy your own configuration codes. With MoSKito, you may add and monitor several applications at a time. To see the apps added to MoSKito, tap Settings and see the Application List section, or tap Thresholds or Accumulators tab, then tap Apps button. To navigate through apps, swipe down and up. To change the application settings, tap Settings, tap the app in Application List. In the appearing Edit screen, change the parameters you need. Tap Save. To change interval for refreshing data, tap Settings. Go to Update Interval in Seconds section, tap Change. Spin the Update Interval picker wheel down and up. After setting the new interval, tap Done. To delete an application, tap the red minus icon near the application name, then tap Delete. Thresholds display current state of your application performance using color indicators. A threshold is configured to show a certain parameter. A set of different thresholds presents a complete picture of how your app performs at the moment. To view all thresholds of an application, tap the Thresholds tab. To switch between thresholds of different applications, tap Apps. In the appearing threshold screen, swipe up and down to browse through applications. Tap the application to display its thresholds. A threshold in Threshold list displays status indicator, threshold name, and threshold value. Every color indicator corresponds to a certain state of your application. Green stands for good. Yellow is a minor problem. Orange, yet minor problem that needs your attention. Red, problem that needs inspection. Purple, imminent system malfunction. White is for no data error. To display detailed threshold info, tap the threshold. To update threshold info, drag and release the refresh slider. To display the list of status changes for thresholds, pull the history slider. To change settings, tap Settings to open the settings screen. Accumulators present performance statistics of your web application showing the accumulated data is a chart. To view all accumulators of an application, tap Accumulators tab. To switch between accumulators of different applications, tap Apps. In the appearing Accumulator screen, swipe down up to browse through applications. Tap the application to display its accumulators. An accumulator in the list displays time of measurement, accumulator name, and accumulator value. To display accumulator chart, tap an accumulator in the list. To update accumulated chart, drag and release the refresh slider. We hope you will enjoy working with MoSKito. Please visit MoSKito homepage or contact us for more info.